Aristotle came up with two types of motion. They were violent and natural and proved his theory. There were other types of scientists who came up with theories. They were somewhat controversial but are still used today. I'm talking Copernicus and the moving earth, Galilei in motion, means first law of inertia, yeah. But their ideas were unheard of, but it's still used today, right? Even though those claws are dead, yeah. Copernicus almost died for his ideas about the earth. He said that it moved, but the others disagreed. Galileo supported him, and he said that we need force. Copernicus almost died for his ideas about the earth. He said that it moved, but the others disagreed. Galileo supported him, and he said that we need force.
Newton came up with inertia, was his very first law. He stated objects in a state of rest or of motion should stay in a straight line with the constant speed unless compelled to finish the force exerted. I'm talking friction is a force. Don't confuse mass and volume. Mass is not a wave. Now mass times gravity is a wave. This is a force. Now force is a combo of all. Now force is a combo of. Copernicus almost died for his ideas about the earth. He said that it moved, but the others disagreed. Galileo supported him, and he said that we need force. Almost died for his ideas about the earth. He said that it moved, but the others disagreed. Galileo supported him, and he said that we need force. You teach us physics, the things we don't know. You break us down mentally. Yeah, we're still lost, but you help us out. Often we're struggling. You teach us physics, the things we don't know. You break us down mentally. Yeah, we're still lost, but you help us out. You help us out. Now we won't learn a thing till you walk in.
Almost died for the ideas about the earth. He said that it moved, but the others disagreed. Galileo supported him, and he said that we need force.